Auto-join is convenient until Fireflies shows up in your CEO's confidential board meeting or someone's therapy appointment that accidentally ended up on their work calendar. Meeting rules let you control exactly when Fireflies joins and when it stays out, automatically, without checking every meeting yourself. First, it checks your auto-join setting. Join all meetings, only hosted meetings, or only when invited. That's your baseline. Then it checks your meeting rules. Recording rules tell Fireflies to always join, even if auto-join would normally skip. Restriction rules tell Fireflies to always skip, even if auto-join would normally join. Rules always override your general auto-join settings. So if auto-join is set to record everything, but you have a restriction rule for meetings titled confidential, Fireflies skips those meetings. Think of auto-join as your default behavior and meeting rules as your exceptions. Meeting rules exist at two levels: personal and team-wide. Personal rules apply only to your own meetings. Create a personal restriction rule and it won't affect anyone else. Team rules apply to everyone in the workspace. When an admin creates a team-level rule, it applies to all teammates. The two layers combine. If the team has a restriction rule for confidential and you have a personal one for therapy, both apply to your meetings. What if rules conflict? Restriction rules take priority over recording rules. When in doubt, the more restrictive rule wins. As an admin, you can also decide whether teammates can create their own rules or whether rules are enforced workspace-wide. Meeting rules control whether Fireflies joins. But what happens after a meeting is captured? That's where Rules Engine comes in. Rules Engine, available on Enterprise, lets you automatically route meetings to channels, share them with certain teammates, and set privacy levels based on conditions you define. Meeting rules: join or skip meetings. Rules Engine: route, share, and control privacy after capture. The difference is simple. Meeting rules are about whether Fireflies shows up. Rules Engine is about what happens to the meeting after it's recorded. For example, you could create a rule that says, if the title contains customer and an external participant is present, route it to the sales channel and set privacy to teammates only. That's beyond what basic meeting rules can do. Start with meeting rules. They handle most use cases. Move to Rules Engine when you need post-meeting automation. Before announcing new rules to your team, test them. Check your upcoming meetings panel. You'll see which meetings Fireflies plans to join with toggles next to each one. If a meeting you expected to be blocked is showing as will join, your rule isn't quite right. Create a test meeting with a title that matches your rule, refresh your dashboard, and confirm it's marked as skipped. A misconfigured rule can mean missed recordings or unwanted joins. Better to catch it on a dummy meeting than a real one. Use rules to block sensitive meetings, recording rules to guarantee capture, and the upcoming meetings panel to verify everything works. Next up, user groups and sharing workflows.